Welcome to AddSecure NGP Essential IP. Here are the key components of the device. Essential IP is a single path alarm signaling service at grade SP2 or SP4, which can be connected via Ethernet or Wi-Fi. For Wi-Fi, plug the aerial into the aerial connector. For a wired connection, plug the RJ45 cable from the customer's router into the Ethernet port. To configure the device, press and hold the Enter button until configuration is shown on the display. Press Enter again to access the menu options. Use the down and up buttons to navigate to the required menu option. Press Enter to access the selected submenu. To exit a submenu, scroll down to Back and press Enter. To exit the configuration menu, scroll down to Exit and press Enter. To set up Wi-Fi or switch between Ethernet and Wi-Fi, enter the configuration menu. Press Enter again and the display will show inputs. Press the down button until network is displayed, then press Enter. The display will show ETH Wi-Fi CON with the current network setting shown on the second line. Press Enter again and an asterisk will appear indicating programming mode. Use the up and down buttons to change the setting. For Wi-Fi, change the second line so it shows Wi-Fi. Press and hold Enter until notice saved is displayed. Connecting to Wi-Fi using WPS in the Wi-Fi menu, press the down button until Wi-Fi WPS is displayed. Press and hold Enter until Notice Done is displayed, followed by WPS Discovering. Now press the WPS button on the customer's router. The device will connect to the customer's router, connecting to Wi-Fi manually. In the Wi-Fi menu, press the down button until Wi-Fi search is displayed. Press and hold Enter until Notice Done is displayed. The display will then change to Wi-Fi search. This may take a few minutes while the device searches for available Wi-Fi networks. When the search is complete, Wi-Fi search completed will be displayed. Press the down button to Wi-Fi list and press Enter so the asterisk appears. Use the down button to find the correct network. Once the correct network is selected, press and hold Enter until Notice Saved is displayed. You will then need to enter the passcode. Use the up button to go to Wi-Fi passcode. When Wi-Fi passcode is displayed, press and hold Enter until the asterisk appears. Use the up and down buttons and the Enter button to enter the passcode. Alternative WPS method. You can also set up Wi-Fi by using the WPS button. Press and hold the WPS button until WPS Discovering is displayed, then press the WPS button on the customer's router. When either Ethernet or Wi-Fi is connected, the device will begin connecting to the platform. With Wi-Fi, you will see the Wi-Fi signal strength, the service grade, path Wi-Fi ACK, and Wi-Fi registered once the connection is complete. Changing the status of a pin, enter the configuration menu and go to the Inputs submenu. Use the down button to go to Input Sense. Press Enter to access Input Sense 1, then use the down button to go to Input Sense 4 for pin 4. High means voltage is applied to trigger pin 4. Low means voltage is removed to trigger pin 4. Press Enter to enter edit mode, then use the up or down buttons to select high or low. Press and hold Enter to save the change. Notice saved will be displayed. Exit the programming menu. Alarm ACK will be displayed to show that the change of state for pin 4 has sent an alarm that has been acknowledged by the ARC. The OLED display will scroll through the status screens and alarms, GPI alarms. 4 will be displayed to show pin 4 is in alarm or open. Learning all pin states, When not in the configuration menu, press and hold the down button until Notice Done is displayed. This will learn all pins in the non-alarm state and restore pin 4. Repeat the same steps to change any other pin. In this example, change the status of pin 3. Save the change and exit the configuration menu. Alarm ACK will be displayed and GPI alarms will show pin 3 in alarm. Essential IP is now set up and sending alarms to the ARC. Please test the alarms with the ARC. For more information, refer to the Essential IP installation guide at AddSecure.com. Remote access to Essential IP devices is available through the NGP Installer app for iOS and Android devices or via the NGP portal. Thank you for choosing NGP Essential IP. Should you need support, the contact details are shown on screen.